Okay, so for tonight's homework, you're going to go to one-step equations. You can try two-step later. And you got to build the equation that's up here in the top left-hand corner. So you have your scale that we're going to have to keep balanced, and we're going to use the tiles in the middle to create x plus 9. 2, 3. Notice how the scale is getting heavier on one side as there's more tiles. And it's also keeping track on the scale. So I'm at 7, 8, and 9. I want to balance it out, so I'm going to put 6 over here. And now there are 6 green tiles to match the 6 on the right-hand side of the equation. My scale is balanced. Let's check to make sure. So the instructions at the bottom: model the equation by dragging the tiles. Press the check button to see if it's correct. We know it's correct because it's balanced as well. Your model is correct. Now let's solve the problem. You need to get x by itself. That's the key portion of being able to solve algebraic equations, is getting x by itself. So we have 9 tiles. We know that if I put, how do I get rid of them? I cancel them out, and you know 0 pairs cancel each other out. So I'm going to put it beside it. If I put it over top, it will disappear, but for this time we're going to put it right beside. So now this has gone down to 8, 7, but my scale is unbalanced. I want to make sure my scale stays balanced. So let's try putting a -1 over there and a -1. So I'm going to keep moving my integer tiles. -1 brings me to 6. I'm going to put another -1 over here. -1. So my constant over here, or the number here, is decreasing. And I'm going to put another one here, and here, over there. Almost done. So now I have x alone, but my scale's not balanced. So I'm going to put one more over here. And now my scales are balanced. Well, how many red tiles did I move? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And as we talked today, this was plus 9 here. So we subtract 9 from this side by using the 9 red tiles. And I did the same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I used 9 red tiles over here. So I subtracted 9 from 6. Let's do a check. So let's see. You did not use the fewest tiles possible to model the left side of the equation. How can you simplify it? So because we showed all of the 0 pairs, we can now cancel them out. So just drop them on top of each other. And you'll begin to do this right from the beginning, but this way you can see how many tiles you need. Now, this x is what's shown on this side. Let's cancel as many 0 pairs as we can. And now the -3 matches with the 3 red tiles. Now let's do our check. And it's satisfied. So here in the top right-hand corner, once you've tried a few examples, I want you to write one of these examples down, and you can model it with the pictures as well. So we had the original equation of x plus 9 equals 6. We took 9 away from both sides because of the 0 pairs. It canceled out the 9 and the -9. And 6 plus -9 is -3. So here in this equation, x equals -3.